Hello friends, hope you are doing well. My name is Atha Thakur. You are watching Vibrant Thoughts. Let's get started. Friends, today we are going to talk about this OnePlus 7T. So let's talk about its physical overview. So in the right side it has a power lock. You must not, yeah. There is a power lock unlock button and just above there is a alert slider, and on the top there is a microphone, and I just hold it, and here there is a volume rocker. On the downside there is a USB-C port, a SIM tray, and a mic and a speaker grill. In the back, it is in the glacier blue color, and it has a 48 megapixel triple rear camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera, a 16 megapixel plus 12 megapixel camera. Here is the OnePlus logo, and down there is the OnePlus branding. So I just hold it in my other hand. So it's nearly too clean UI. There is no junk ads, nothing is there. And so let's check its Android version too. It was primarily Android 10, but recently it's updated to Android 11 and yeah, Oxygen 11 OS and with Android 11. So that's a good thing that it's updated, and a good thing. And I just forgot to say that it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and it has a Snapdragon 855 plus and a 6.55 inch 90 hertz display, and a 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage variant. So I just go back. So it's it's almost a clean UI. There's nothing junk ads here. That's a good thing. It's not like MIUI that there are a lot of junk ads there. So a nice thing. I just test out the camera and show you how the pictures would came. So friends, I have shoot one photo here. I just focus on it so that you are able to see it. The photos are really very good. The colors and all the things are really very nice. So I just liked it. So I just test out its front camera too. I just take a selfie here. So actually it's dark here, so here the photo is not good because of the lighting. I just show the photos are coming good. So actually it has a 3800 mAh battery with 30 watts warp charge. So let's test how it performs. So I just on the warp charge here. So I just on off it, and I just connect to the battery and turn off the timer. So guys, I have just connected the phone. It's not charging now. I just go, here is my Oppo. I just turn on the timer here. I just go here and go to clock, stopwatch. Yeah. So I just on them and just meet you. So we will do a 3 minute test of charging, and then we'll pick out the phone. So guys, it's charging right now. It's on the 59%. I just increase the brightness here so that you are able to see it. So it's now in just 15 seconds. It's to the 60%. That's a good thing. So we'll test for nearly 2 or 3 minutes and then we stop. So it's going on. I just unlock it and I go on in the battery one. So yeah, it is showing that it would, it's on the 61%. Just not in a minute too. That's nice. 2% in just 50 seconds. That's a good thing. I just see how much time it would take. 62 in 1.9. Yeah, I'm really, it's nice. The speed is really very good. And it's 1 minute 20 seconds. %63%. Whoa. The charging speed is actually very good. In just 1 minute 40 seconds, it charged from 59 to 63 in just 1 minute 40 seconds. That's a good thing. I like this OnePlus because of their charging speeds. So I just see the timer is nearly 2 minutes here, and the phone is charged up to 63 or 64% actually. I just stop here at just close the charger here too. Yeah, so in 2 minutes 15 seconds it charged from 64 to 64%. That's a nice thing. I just remove the charger here and keep this phone aside. Actually, this is the Oppo. I just put a custom UI on it, so I just keep it here. Really a good thing. The best thing about this phone is that the charging speed of this phone is really very good, and the battery backup is also nice. And it's the and that too it's updated to a good Android version, so it's nice. So the main question is it usable in 2021? The answer is absolutely yes. The processor is so good that I like it. The UI is also updated, and charging speed and the battery and all the other things are good. As we tested here, in just 2 minutes 40 seconds, 2 minutes 15 seconds, it charged up to 64%. That's a good thing. So it was launched in 2019, and it was available in two colors, in gray and in blue. So I just recommend to take blue color as it looks good, and it's purely made of metal, so that's a nice thing. And here when we just open the phone, we see here, just tap on it, 37 unlocks, means it can also show how much unlocks we have done. So nice thing. So thank you friends for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the next video updates. Bye. Thank you.